Now that the board is cut to fit, which you want a good snug fit in between, but first what we're going to do is we're going to drill some pilot countersink holes on the edges of our block. So, and we're going to use these little bits. Instead of using Craig jigs, we're going to use this little bit, and it countersinks the head, and it's tapered for that particular size screw. So it gives the screw a chance to drift through this wood to start tightening on your main wood. So we're going to drill pilot holes for our main screws. You want to drill them at an angle, possibly 45. They don't have to be exact. Just center of the edge. Be careful, don't break your bit. We're going to drill one for the edge right here. And we're going to drill one on the back edge. On both ends. Now we're gonna put them in. We'll start my screws first. Now we're going to drive our block in between the joists. Good solid tight fit. You want to drive it under the other one about halfway. There you go. Now we want to drive it in. Ooh. And we're going to catch the bottom ones. There you go. Now, your new floor's got plenty good solid connection.